Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make simple sausage gravy. Sausage gravy is super easy to make, and you can serve it up over biscuits or toast or French fries, whatever you want really. So easy to make, so delicious, perfect for breakfast, brunch, or let's face it, I even eat it for dinner. Get a pound of ground sausage cooking in a skillet over medium-high heat. And you want to cook this until it's browned and all the way cooked through, which will take about 8 minutes. You can use any kind of sausage you want in this recipe. Today I'm using a spicy Italian type ground sausage, but you can also use just a regular country style pork sausage. You can use turkey sausage or chicken sausage. Really, it's up to you. Once the sausage is all the way cooked through, it's time to turn it into gravy. You'll need a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and you want to stir this in with the fat and grease that's in there with the sausage until all of the white specks disappear. Once the flour is mixed in, you'll pour in 3 cups of milk. And this will thicken super fast as it comes to a simmer. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until the gravy is thickened. All that's left to do is season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper to taste. Then you're ready to eat. Serve it up hot over biscuits or toast, or the crew here is thinking that French fries sounds pretty darn good. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.